A very good day, all, and welcome back to Art and Craft, a hobby. In today's video, let us see how to make this best out of waste lampshade. So, let's begin. I will share the list of materials required to make this lampshade at the end of the video. To begin with, I'll be making this paper straw, for which I have taken some old magazine sheets. I'm first going to make 4 fold of one of these sheets, and then I'll be cutting it into vertical strips. I'll now make the straw with the help of a skewer. I'll place the skewer in angle to the edge of the paper sheet, and I'll start rolling the paper with one hand. With the other hand, I'll be controlling the skewer so that the roll doesn't loosen. I'll apply some glue as I'm showing in the video, and I'll roll the paper sheet further to make the straw, and I'll secure the end as well with some glue. And the paper straw is ready. For this project, we'll need 33 paper straws, and I have made each of these straws with 5 centimeter width paper sheets. I'm now taking a cardboard box. You can take cardboard of any thickness, and I'll be measuring 32 centimeters on this box. I will now cut a cardboard strip of 32 centimeter length and 1 centimeter width. We will need 4 such strips for this project. I will now secure one of these strips to the working surface using some cellophane tape. I'll tuck cellophane on both the ends. I'm now making 32 marks on the strip. Each of this mark will be 1 centimeter apart. I am now placing the second piece of cardboard 20 centimeters apart from the first one, and I'll repeat the same steps as I did for the first piece of cardboard. To glue the straw to the pieces of cardboard, I am applying glue on the first dot in the lower piece of cardboard and sixth dot on the upper piece of cardboard, and I'll place the straw on these dots. I will continue to apply glue to the adjacent dots, and I'll place the straws in the similar fashion until the end of the cardboard piece. I will be gluing the last few straws only to the lower piece of cardboard, as you see in the video. The upper portion will be glued when we make a cylinder of this paper straw mat. I am now gluing the remaining 2 cardboard pieces on top of the straws as you see in the video. I will allow the straw mat to dry thoroughly before we proceed with the next step. I am rolling the paper straw mat with help of a cylindrical object. This is to make the straw mat a little flexible for us to shape the lampshade. I am now gluing the 2 ends of the cardboard pieces on the bottom side. I am applying a little cellophane tape on the glued cardboard piece so that it holds the shape. I will remove this piece of cellophane later when the glue is dry. I will now glue the 3 straws 1 centimeter apart to the upper piece of cardboard. I will keep this tucked until it dries. Once all the straws are glued, I will secure the open end of the cardboard piece on the upper side. Cut off the paper straws beyond the cardboard piece on both the sides. I will be covering one end of the lampshade, for which I have taken two pieces of cardboard which are 10 centimeter in diameter. I will glue this cardboard together and then onto the lampshade. I'm going to make a hole in the center of the cardboard so that I'll be able to pass the electrical wire and hang a bulb inside the lampshade if needed. Now I'll glue the lampshade and the cardboard together. I'm now applying some ochre yellow acrylic paint to the paper straws. I'll be applying the paint on outer side and inner side of the cylinder. Also, I'll be applying 2 coats of this paint. I'm now covering the cardboard pieces on upper and lower end with some patterned paper. You can use any paper that you have. So these are the patterned paper that is left over from one of the previous video where I made the dollhouse sofa. So I'll be reusing the leftover pieces. I have left one end of the lampshade open so that it can be used to manually place on a lamp or a LED bulb, and the other side can be used to connect an electric wire and hang a bulb. Hope you all liked today's video. If you did, please do hit the like button. Also, do share your feedback in the comments section. Share and subscribe to Art and Craft, a hobby. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting.